Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. Okay, welcome back ya in my English class with Miss Almira. Cheerful, creative, and wonderful class. Okay, good job. Okay, students, before we start our lesson, it's better for us to pray together. Bimo, okay, please lead your friends to pray together.
Attention friends, before we start our lesson, pray together. Start praying.
And now, let's check your attendance ya. If I call your name, you can say present and raise your hand, okay? Dede Angga, good. Della Rodila, good job. Students, do you still remember about our material in the last meeting? Ada yang masih ingat nggak dengan materi kita waktu minggu lalu? Ingat? Oke, what is the material waktu minggu kemarin? Narrative text. Oke, what is narrative text? Cerita rakyat atau dongeng. You are still remember about previous material. Okay. Have you ever visited some tourist place in Cirebon? Pernah atau tidak kalian mengunjungi suatu tempat atau tempat wisata yang ada di kota Cirebon? Pernah atau tidak? Oh, look at the picture. There is it. Zoom it in. You just guess the pictures. Ya, jadi kalian cuman menebak gambar ini di mana sih, gitu ya? Oke. Pictures number one. Guess the pictures. Gambar mana? Tempatnya di mana ini?
Kesambi.
Sunyaragi. Kesambi. Nama tempatnya? Gua Sunyaragi. Are you sure? Oke, let's check ya. Good. Sunyaragi Cave. Where is the place? Telaga Biru. Namanya apa? What is it? Telaga Nilam. Oke, let's see. Oke, Nilam Lake. Oke. Where is the place? Kesepuhan? Are you sure? Kanoman? Are you sure? Yakin. Let's check your answer. Ya, Keraton Kesepuhan. Jadi pictures one tadi apa? Sunyaragi Cave. And then the second pictures? Nilam Lake. And then the last pictures? Keraton Kesepuhan. 3 gambar tadi adalah tourism place in Cirebon. So for today ya, we are going to learn about descriptive text. In the topic tourism place. And then I hope ya at the end of the lesson you will able to yang pertama menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dari deskriptif teks terkait dengan tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Lalu yang kedua, membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks deskriptif terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah. And then number 3, menyusun teks deskriptif pendek dan sederhana terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah. And then the last, learning objective, yaitu menampilkan secara lisan dan tertulis teks deskriptif pendek dan sederhana terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah. Jadi, there are 4 learning objective for today. I have video for you. Please watch the video carefully and then after you watch the video, I will give several questions based on the video. Let's start. Oke, what is the video? Videonya tentang apa sih tadi? Descriptive text. Oke, yang dijelaskan dalam video ada apa saja? Definition, and then struktur teks, terus social function and language feature. Students, I have made a group for you, ya. One group consists of 5 until 6 people, ya. Silahkan berkumpul dengan kelompoknya masing-masing. Okay, students, look, I have 2 texts about descriptive text tentang Borobudur Temple and Monumen Nasional. Jadi ada 2, ya. Tugas kalian adalah analyze about social function, generic structure, and language features, ya kan, based on the text. Do you have difficult things? No? Okay, good job. Okay, why? What is your question?
Social function.
Social function, berarti to describe about Borobudur Temple. Oke, terus generic structure. How many generic structure in descriptive text? Tadi kata si videonya ada berapa? 2. For the first, identification, and then description. Identification itu berarti describe in general. Kalau yang description itu secara detail. Oke, jadi mana yang termasuk ke dalam identification? Paragraph 1 or paragraph 2? Paragraph 1, oke. You just write paragraph 1. Oke, ya. Kerja kalian, let's check your answer, ya. For text 1 and second text, can you find the identification of this text? Okay, which one? Oh, at the paragraph number 1. Okay, good job, Bimo. Where is description? Description part in paragraph 2. Okay, paragraph 2. Lalu where is adjective and adverb of time? In paragraph in text 1. In Indonesia itu apa? In Indonesia tuh adverb, ya, adverb of place, ya, berarti keterangan tempat. In Indonesia, what else? In Malang, in Magelang, in Central Java, ya. In UNESCO. I think all of you understood about descriptive text, ya. And then please collect your worksheet. Kumpulkan. Collect your worksheet. Okay, good job. 1, 2. Now you make about descriptive text in the topic is tourism places in Cirebon. You can scan first, ya, the barcode by using QR and code application. For each group have different topic. Make descriptive text with the topic Sunyaragi Cave. Okay? And then group 2. Okay, you make descriptive text with the topic Keraton Kasepuhan. Group 3, Ade Irma Suryani Waterland. And then group 4, Keraton Kacirebonan. And then the last group, Kajawanan ya, Kejawanan Beach. Discuss with your friends and then please write your descriptive text on Padlet yang ada pada barcode ini. I will give you 10 minutes ya, only 10 minutes. And then after you make descriptive text, you can present in front of the class. Where is the location of Keraton Kacirebonan? Present in front of the class. I will start from group 1. Okay, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bimolana Saputro.
My name is Nabila Ramadhani.
My name is Julianto Arisaputra. My name is Fahir Gustian.
Okay, we here for presentation about Sunyaragi Cave. Sunyaragi Cave or Taman Sari Gua Sunyaragi is a cave located in the Sunyaragi sub-district Kesambi, Cirebon City, where there is a temple-like building called the Sunyaragi Cave or Sunyaragi Water Park, are often referred to as Taman Sari Sunyaragi. Continue exploring several buildings which are traces of the history of the Cirebon Sultanate. If you can immediately surround the 12 cave buildings, each of which has...
Okay, be my friends, you are good presentation. Give applause for be my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2 and my name is Saki.
My name is Stella. My name is Ayu Amalia. My name is Sherly Clara Wulandari.
We want to presentation about Kasepuhan Place. Kasepuhan Place is a place located in the Kasepuhan village, Lembah Wungkuk, Cirebon. The meaning in every corner of the architecture of this place is also known to be the most historic. This place has a museum that is quite complete and contains heirlooms and painting from the royal collection. One of the collection is the Singa Barong train, which is the Sunan Gunung Jati train. Okay, thank you. Thank you, friend.
Before we close our activity today, I want to ask with you, what have you learned in this material? Descriptive text. Okay, what is generic structure of descriptive text? Ada berapa generic structure-nya? 2. Yang pertama, identification, and then description. Okay, how many language features in descriptive text? 3. They are using simple present, and then using adjective, and using and verb. Okay, good job. The last one, passive voice. Okay, jadi using passive voice. Good job, student. Do you have question about this material? Really? Oke, berarti kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, berarti Miss Almira anggap kalian sudah paham ya dengan materi pembelajaran hari ini. And then for the next meeting ya, we will discuss about advertisement. Kalian pelajari dulu materinya di rumah, lalu nanti akan kita bahas for the next meeting. Oke. Miss Almira pengen tanya lagi. What is the most interesting activity for today? Part of presentation and then discussion. Oke. Jadi paling menyenangkan ya, paling menarik gitu ya discussion. Watching video. Oke, good job. Before we close our activity, please say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay, students, I think enough for today. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for your attention. See you next week. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, students.